Milton, Florida. See, not too many people are on the road. Everybody is getting prepared. We're headed to the shop to cover computers up, electrical stuff. You know, you can't really prepare for something like this. It's kind of like childbirth. You know, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna intensify, but you really have no clue until you go through it. So we're just praying and hoping for the best.
Well, good morning. We're here at the Emergency Operations Center. Hurricane Milton is heading our way. It will arrive either late tonight or early tomorrow morning. We are bracing and are prepared to receive a major hit. We're facing this with the seriousness it deserves, but also with the determination that we will get through this.